Alright, Canoga 2 up to 4,000. This one is 2.2 DME, ought below 1700, so we'll do VNAV.
Okay.
We can brief the rest of the taxi if that sounds good with you.
Sounds like a plan, the Canoga.
And we probably won't see the new weather for another 10 minutes or so. So,
what's the weather? We should do real fast. Let me check Oxnard.
Okay.
Oxnard 10, overcast 1,000.
Okay, they have an ILS, not
yeah.
200.
So, okay, I'm ready for before engine start.
Alright, engine start doors.
Lock secured.
Parking brake pressure.
Set 3,000.
Tire burst levers.
Idle.
Gust lock.
Removed.
Beacon.
On.
Main fuel pumps.
On.
Electrical load.
Look 27, looking good.
Engine start page.
Displayed.
Start master.
On.
Bleed air pressure.
Coming up nicely, 41.
Engine start.
Here we go. Got a start valve and igniters. Got some HP. Bam, there's the minimum. Positive LP. Fuel flow coming up nicely. Okay, start valve out, igniters out, oil pressure's good, EVMs are good, 0330, Sanger alarm is illuminated. We got a good start. Here comes the next one. Start valve open, igniters. We have HP. LP, fuel flow.
Potential aircraft information Gulf now, current wind 1705, altimeter 3006.
Okay, start valve out, igniters out, oil pressure's good, EVMs are all 03300, Sanger alarm is out after start.
After start, start master.
Off.
Left right power masters.
On.
Aux power master.
Off.
EPMP bat chargers.
2, 3, 4, 6 in auto, left side main charging, looking good.
APU.
Oversped.
Bleed air panel.
Dark.
Press control, you want to...
And I've got Cessna 64267, holding short of Alpha on Alpha 2, we have information Foxtrot.
64267.
Wing anti-ice is off, anti-heaters are on.
Altimeter 3006, runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha Charlie.
4 on.
Cross center tank.
Close.
Alpha Charlie 16 right, we'll get Golf, 64227.
Up.
Mine's up.
Down.
Down. Stays down. Looking good. Test good.
Stall barrier.
On your marks. Get set. Go. Let's go nicely. Amber. Red. Disconnect.
Ready, set, go. Trending. Shaking. Pushing. Override. The white flight controls.
All up.
Up. Clean wing.
Okay.
Anti-skid.
4 lights.
Nose wheel steering.
Engaged.
Got in.
On.
Seatbelt, no smoke. Are you ready?
Hey, Richie, sir.
9570 Juliet is off at Golf for the propeller park, please.
9570 Juliet, Van Nuys ground, taxi prop park via Alpha.
Via Alpha, 9570 Juliet.
Van Nuys ground, Silver Speed 41, Castle and Cook taxi with Golf.
Silver Speed 41, Van Nuys ground, runway 16 right, taxi via Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie, runway 16 right, Silver Speed 41. Clear on the right.
Thank you. see a Gulfstream, I'm like, wow, one day I'll fly one of those.
That's a 550. One day I'll fly one of those.
If they fly a 550 and keep the same schedule, I'd love it.
We just got a 550.
Nice ground, traffic west,
Another one?
But I think the G5 guys, I thought it was a separate type rating, but
Traffic west 739
the G5
Van
guys
Nuys
are
ground,
flying,
the
so
northbound Cherokee, be turning into the northwest corner, runway
you know if it's a
16
separate
right,
type rating for the
taxi, Alpha
550 from the 5?
No.
Because the 450 is a separate type rating from the 4.
Correct.
The 550 is not from the 5?
I think it's, I guess you're right. Oh, there's that 4,000.
Yeah.
I was talking to those guys this morning.
Got the taxi check.
Please.
Transponder is on, squawking 4611. Taxi light is on, brakes.
They go out?
These lights are really dim. All my lights are down.
There, how about now?
There we go. 6 lights, 4 lights,
There you
2
go.
lights, no lights. Let's see, brakes are good. Flaps and stab are moving. TRC checked, enjoying anti-ice. There's good pressure and rise in TGT. Good. Wings and cowls are tested, guidance panel. You got 3 amber, 2 green because this right command is burnt out, but it's on right command. If that works for you.
Roger.
Let me just test it really quick. Yeah, it's burnt out. Flight instruments, go around 03, set left and right. We're both in blue needle. Engine instruments are all in the white. Fuel temp and oil temp agree. Trims 0, 0, and 8 selected. Flap stab.
We set it for 20. Indicates 20. Stab agrees.
AP master is off. Fleet panel is dark. Landing auto ADC1. Or inhibit is on, takeoff brief. So let me pull up the SID here. Canoga 2 up to 4,000. Off 16 right, heading 163 to cross the 2.2 DME outer below 1700, then a climbing right turn heading 213. So it'll be gear up, VNAV, and then once we start the turn heading.
Okay.
And on up to 4,000. If we have any abnormalities prior to 80 knots, call for an abort. And back me up with the speed brakes between 80 and V1. We'll only stop for major items, engine failure, fire, thrust reverser, ground spoiler deployment, loss of control. Any other safety of flight items. Otherwise, we'll continue after V1. For failure, fire, positive rate gear up, climb at V2
Ground
to
push at
V2
522, signature west, taxi with Foxtrot.
And no checklist or flap changes till at least 1,500
522, Van ground, runway 16 right,
2,300 MSL.
16 right, Alpha Charlie, flight at 522.
We'll maintain VFR if we can, and we can just come back into Van Nuys.
Okay.
Run a checklist unless we're fire or whatever, we'll just come right back.
We'll expect the request the RNAV Yankee 26.
Yeah, we might as well look at that now. We can't even get to the runway, it looks like.
Or Susanna.
Suana, yeah. Is there an ATIS yet? Oh wow, it went down to 700.
Shoot.
4 minutes ago.
What's the visibility?
10.
Okay.
So I'll pull up this. So we're gonna request the RNAV Yankee. Might as well brief that. I'm gonna go over to tower.
Okay.
Are you gonna be
3006,
Yep.
what's the intention?
Departures in
Oh, look it.
TV5 approved as requested.
We
Zero
don't
speed 41, Van Nuys turning 16 right, full length, line up and wait.
Are you able?
Yes.
Okay, runway 16 right, line up and wait. Silver speed 41.
I don't think we get through. What do you think?
It looked tight to me.
I think we're stuck.
And silver speed 41, it looks like we're going to be unable due to traffic holding short.
64 roger that, hold short of runway 16 right.
Hold short, runway 16 right, silver speed 41.
And what aircraft is in the way?
Yankee Zulu?
74 Juliet, we can actually do a left 360 to give us some space. 74 Juliet, negative, runway 16 right, line up and wait. 16 right, line up and wait.
Hey, well, he's nice. That's cool.
Okay.
November.
What do you want to do with the
ground
approach?
0.7?
I'm sorry.
112.7.
Well, we don't have a letter of authorization, so I don't think we can technically do it.
I didn't even know this point how.
Number 74 Juliet, no delay, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff, make right.
So we'll do the RNAV Yankee then
Right,
down
traffic,
to...
So C41, did that clear up the problem?
Yes.
Affirmative.
C41, roger that, runway 16 right, line up and wait.
Runway 16 right, line up and wait, silver speed 41. She's sitting. Cool. Let me know when you're staying up.
Okay, we're line up and wait, correct?
Affirmative.
And how's that right wing look?
You got plenty of room on the right. You can crank it. All right. I got the lights. Line up check. Seatbelt no smoke. I got the lights, transponders. TARA, spoilers are armed, speeds are boxed, ICAS is clear. Runway alignment. I see 16 right.
Confirmed.
That's the lineup checklist. So flight controls were checked for incorrect. We'll put TCAS up here. Down to 550. We're going out to 550. I didn't load the approach yet, so
Okay.
we can just keep it at 200 if that works for you,
Works for me.
because it'll be busy.
You're playing when you want it.
Okay, I have the flight controls.
You got the flight controls.
The brakes.
This is 74 Juliet, turn right crosswind.
Turn right cross at 74 Juliet.
Silver speed 41, wind 160 at 6, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff. Cessna in the F1 is in right, close traffic.
Roger, clear, take off 16 right, solar speed 41.
Slow.
Your power's coming nicely. There's 171, 60 knots, box, 80 knots.
Got it.
Yours, controls. Your tops. V1, rotate.
Is holding short of 16 right on Charlie. Would like a close traffic
Keep
available.
it shallow.
Let's see, pause the rate.
39 Yankee Swim, Van Nuys Tower, caution weight turbulence, first part of Gulfstream. Remain at or below 2,000 south of the 101, left turn is approved, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff.
400 feet.
Flaps up. And 200. Flight level change.
Alpha Town 393, Bravo Zulu, Furry.
Do you want VNAV or flight level change?
Zulu,
Leave me
16
out
right.
in there.
Okay.
Silver speed 41, contact SoCal departure, good day.
Departure today, solar speed 41.
Not 3903.
Is it 34 too?
Affirmative. There's 1700, and we should start the right turn here. Heading, please.
And you want flight level change also?
Yes, flight level change.
Good afternoon, SoCal. Silver speed 41 is 1700, climbing 4000.
Silver speed 41, SoCal departure, radar contact.
Okay, flaps up.
Air Shuttle 5972, Burbank Tower 118.7.
18.7, Tower Shuttle 5972 is long.
Oh, the checklist?
Yeah.
Tower 1 Charlie Alpha, turn left heading 080.
Thanks, sir. Heads down for just one moment.
1 Charlie Alpha.
SoCal, 68.1 Quebec, level 5.
It's like the Holy Bible here. Okay.
Already 17 Quebec, SoCal, process altimeter 3000.
That gears up, ground spoilers are off.
There's 3,000
Information with
climbing
current, watch approach
4,000.
3007.
After takeoff checklist complete.
RNAV 217 Quebec.
Roger.
I keep the speed right where we're at, no faster.
Yeah, it's
2602.
Silver speed 41, turn right heading of 290.
Right, 290, Silver speed 41.
wow, this big house is down there.
Oh, I know. I was freaking out about that last week.
All right, we're leveling at 4,000 on a 290 heading.
Silver speed 41, watch approach request for Camarillo.
GPS Yankee, direct Susanna.
Swan.
All right, proceed direct Savannah, join the final.
Direct Suana, join the final, Silver speed 41.
You got that in there?
Yeah, you should be direct Suana.
Okay, LNAV when able. Whoa, what is the throttles doing?
Wow, air manual speed 200.
Idle. Let's do autopilot on, just because it's a little busy. Throttles are off for now, okay?
Okay, my head's down for a moment.
Sure. 2602 is the weather.
Okay, it's X-ray like you said, 230 at 10 miles, 700.
700 overcast.
Correct.
We're going to Suana. Alright, throttles are back on.
Okay, it's 137 on the ref. You need 47, 90, 135 numbers.
Silver speed 41, find my good approach, 124.7, you have a good day.
24/7, good day, silver speed 41. You ever heard of Point McGill?
Yeah. X-ray.
Good afternoon, Magoo. Silver speed 41 is 4,000. Direct Suwana with X-ray to join the final.
Silver speed 41, Magoo approach. Thank you for X-ray. Are you looking for the RNAV Yankee or Zulu?
Yankee today, silver speed 41.
Silver speed 41, roger. 2 miles from Suwana, cross Suwana, 4,000, cleared RNAV Yankee, runway 26 approach.
Cross Suwana at 4,000, cleared RNAV. RNAV Yankee 26 approach, silver speed 41.
Okay, we're clear for the approach. So let's set 3,300 for our next one. And descent check when able. 33, I see it.
Do you want flaps 10?
Yes, flaps 10, please.
Okay, speeds checks.
There's auto.
Inbound course right now is 262. I'll just put that in there.
252.
For the first part, for this.
Got it.
I should say the inbound to the feeder, to the inbound to the inbound. Okay, approach flaps are reach 10. I see 180 on their speed selector. Altimeters we said is 3008.
Okay, I have 550 on my DA here.
Okay. Set twice. Nav instruments, RNAV approaches in there. Engine sync is off. Hydraulics look good.
Alright, 2 miles to Nasik, and we'll start down to 33.
Okay.
Stationary 3 Charlie Mike, clear
20.
direct San Marcos.
Speed checks.
We actually have VNAV, we could use that too.
Yep.
Will that take us down to the MBA, or just
It'll take us to the
approach fix?
It'll take you to the ground. It'll take you to the runway.
Well, you want to just dial in 0 then, and we'll
Yeah.
use that. Alright, so let's put 0 in there.
Okay, it's holding.
Okay. And VNAV is armed.
Correct.
Jezzy's the final approach fix at
4
12.
Bravo Delta VFR, descend your discretion.
Roger. I see V path coming in. Tower is 22 set. Flaps are 20.
Okay. Alright, there's Nasik on down to 3,300. If we have to go mist, climb to 3,000, straight ahead basically, and then hold at Hatley.
Okay. We'll just go power up, flaps 20, pause rate, gear up.
Okay, we're already in FMS, so.
November 0 Echo Romeo, contact Santa Barbara approach 125.4.
25.40 Echo Romeo.
Just make sure you sequence the go around.
Yep. Yeah, we'll do it with the auto throttles.
Oh, you want to do auto throttles on?
Bravo Delta, contact SoCal.
Have you done
For the go around? I've done a go around with auto throttles.
Really?
200. Have you?
No, I always do manual because it goes.
It wasn't super bad. Alright, we're coming up on Jezzy. Gear down.
Let's get our homework done.
Silver speed 41, contact Camarillo Tower 128.2.
Going tower, silver speed 41. Okay, 3 greens. Nutcracker has been tested. Ground spoilers are armed. Landing gear checked. Nutcracker checked. Ground spoilers armed. Air start not required. Taxi light. Wait for the landing clearance. Seatbelts on. Flaps down. You want full?
Yeah, flaps full.
Okay.
Going to 147.
Yep. Camarillo Tower, silver speed 41 on the RNAV Yankee 26. Jesse.
Silver speed 41, camera tower, runway 26, clear to land, wind 2306, and if you're able to report the base report.
Clear line 26, and we'll call service 41.
Clear to land. Looks fully configured.
Okay, you're reffed, you're good.
It's hunting a little bit here. Did you see the FMS approach? Okay, we got it.
We are, I wasn't looking down. Oh, we got 7 miles.
Up there.
Yeah, we're 7 miles out, so.
Well, it's 2 miles prior to the final approach.
Correct, so 4 miles to the next enunciator.
Oh, it's really hunting around. I'm gonna kick it off.
Sometimes it hunts and then I'll throw it back on.
Okay.
Which, if you want me to do that.
This is, I feel okay like this. 22 was the tops. Just standard callouts and all that.
Okay.
You know what we can do is I'm going to sink a little bit below. Or what do you think?
I think the VNAV will put you right there.
Okay.
Sometimes it'll have you level off, but well, it won't. This will take you right into the ground, remember? Yep. So at 640, I'll keep my heads up, and if you want to sink a little, that's fine.
Okay.
That's 1,000 feet to the ground.
1,000.
Looking good. Roughing 10, 500 to MDA.
Okay.
You're gonna make it. Just keep her coming down.
We'll sink a little low here.
I got the runway sight. Heads up.
Okay. I'm going to roll out on final.
Roger. Over the tops 2,000, you said?
Tops were 22. Bases looked like 8.
Yeah.
Which is 700.
500.
And Camarillo Tower, so G41, tops 2,200, and base is about 850 to 900.
So G41, thank you.
400.
Okay, roughing 8, stabilize.
$300.
Everyone did a Gulfstream here.
You have to wait until you can't say that until you get at the door open.
200.
A little low. Throttles are off.
Roger. Roughing 8, 3 reds.
100.
No obstacles.
50. 40. 30.
There's
20. 10.
Spoilers deployed. 6 lights. Oh, it would have been perfect. You just had that little left and right thing. I didn't touch it. 100 knots. There's 80.
Well, this one brakes pretty nice. Delta? Does that work?
I'd just take her to the end.
Okay. That was pretty good.
41 left enable contact ground point exit.
Left and you'll go to ground, solar speed 41. Don't hurt yourself, pat yourself in the back there.
See the NOTAM out there?
For grease on the runway.
Alright, you want to take it?
My aircraft.
You have
the mic controls.
Your controls.
Thank you. Mic controls. No, good job. I'll give it to you. It's crazy, like you're doing 140 knots or 146 and it seems pretty slow. And then you're in like a 182 and it's like, you know, it's like, this is kind of fast.
That's faster than a cruise. You ready?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Let me see if I can give you
ground
the...
point 8.
You should be all set. Ah, that's my fault.
Ground Silver Speed 41, clear at Echo to Air 7.
Silver Speed 41, Camarillo ground, taxi to Air 7 via Foxtrot.
Via Foxtrot to Air 7, Silver Speed 41.
Cool.
Alright, flaps and stab are up, EPU is coming up.
They want the far taxiway, right? Yeah.
Yes, Foxtrot.
I haven't seen people in this pattern in a long time. Like
the ultralight field, yeah.
Yeah, I haven't seen them out there for a while.
They're out there.
Camarillo ground, TBM 700 Charlie Zulu, request IFR on file back to Camarillo.
Let's see after.
CBM 700 Charlie Zulu, Camarillo ground.
Is up.
Clear to Camarillo Airport. On departure, turn right heading 275. Radar vectors Daisy, direct. Climb maintain 4,000. Set flight level 280 5 minutes after. Departure frequency 124.7.
I wonder if they're doing any avionic upgrades on this plane. This has ADS out.
TBM 700 Charlie
Yeah, ADSB out.
Right heading 275. Radar vector is
Daisy,
direct 4,000.
Flight level 2.
We should be able to check the software. Isn't there a way you can check the software version?
TBM 0,
In the
Charlie
box?
Zulu,
Yeah.
redirect correct.
I guess.
But the ops spec says it doesn't, I think. I was looking at it the other day.
I don't think the crew is not, we can't do LPV. Actually, I thought we did do LPV in training.
I think they mess up on. Have to check the training record. Now it used to be Signature, not Sun Air, or?
It's still Sun Air, but it's like a signature
Oh yeah.
branch or whatever you call it.
Well, this is it right here on the right?
Well, it's all the hangars, but the main FBOs. We're going to Air 7.
Oh sure, that's it.
Yeah.
I always forget because usually we also used to come here.
I can call them 30.8. I'm on 2.
Roger, 1.
Air 7, Camarillo, Gulfstream 41 Zulu Alpha.
Is there 7? Go ahead.
Yeah, we'll be there in 30 seconds.
Copy that. We have line guys on standby.
Thanks. Okay, I'm on 1.
I love that pits, or I think that's the pits.
Camarillo ground, CBM 700, Charlie Zulu, AVAX with X-ray, request taxi.
Now, I did my solo,
0, Charlie Zulu,
no, my cross-country dual, and I did my solo cross-country here.
Okay.
Runway 26, call.
And I thought that plane was awesome. It's still,
Called an AvTech 400 or 4000 or something.
they better not ever get rid of that airplane.
So that plane was in a movie. There's like one of a kind, and then I guess it had structural problems, and they just parked it there.
That's I love that. Just
It's pretty funky looking, yeah.
yeah, I remember, like I said, that shit. That was 18 years ago.
Yeah, that's plane been here since I can remember. They used to have like that old Convair as well.
Oh yeah, the tricar, the tail.
Yeah.
These guys have the best job in the world.
Yeah.
They just go eat at the restaurant and make like 400,000 a year. Freaking play around with helicopters.
They get to carry guns.
Yeah. Firemen get to carry guns. It's crazy.
Well, there's sheriffs. I'm not sure, county sheriff, but they also do search and rescue and fires.
Yeah, the more qualified you are to do nothing, the more money you make.
Yep.
We can totally make that turn, don't worry. This guy's on.
That guy works here now?
Actually, this guy's pretty good. I turned too early. He wants me to the left.
Or he wants you this way.
Put it straight at him. Okay, let's see. Parking brake set
Emergency power,
is off,
aux power master,
on,
left right power masters,
off,
engine wing any ice,
off,
HV fuel cocks,
shut.
beacon taxi light,
Beacons off, taxi lights off,
seatbelt no smoke,
off,
bleed air,
all off,
visual steering,
off.
fuel pumps at 0,
There you go.
transponders off.
Cool.